So many people ask me how I make my pepper sauce. There's a few different varieties, but this is the fastest way to do it, particularly if you want a delicious sauce to go with your steak in the middle of the week. So I've just been cooking a piece of rump steak here. This one's only taking about 2 minutes on each side because I want it to be medium rare in the centre. I'm going to rest it, and to make the perfect pepper sauce, you want all of this delicious sediment in the pan. So in this pan, I'll add a few knobs of butter, and we'll give that a swirl. And now for some French shallots. This is 2 finely chopped French shallots. And we just want these to soften and caramelise. And now for the black pepper, I'm using coarsely ground black pepper. You can also use green peppercorns if you like. The green peppercorns are milder. I want this to have a bit of a kick, so that's why I'm using these black peppercorns. So a good sprinkle of that in there for some heat. And we'll give that one last whisk. And now, you have to be really careful with this, I'm going to deglaze and flambe with some brandy. So we'll just add that to the pan and then carefully flambe. And that just cooks off the alcohol. Now to finish this, we need some cream. I'm going to use some cooking cream. This cooking cream thickens up quite quickly and it doesn't curdle in this hot pan. So a generous amount of the cooking cream. And then with a whisk, we're just going to whisk that until it comes together. And as you can see, it thickens up quite quickly. I'll also add a pinch of salt. And just to freshen it all up, I love the addition of some thyme. I've got some lemon thyme here. And we'll just pick those little leaves in there. You can see how that's thickening up rapidly. And then I'll just give it a quick whisk. Okay, I'm very happy with this sauce, so now it can come off the heat. And I'm going to serve my sauce on the plate first and then showcase the steak over the top. So we'll drizzle that thick, delicious sauce on the plate. Spread it out. And now for the steak. We'll just cut the steak on an angle. Look at that, perfectly cooked. Pop that steak just in that delicious peppery sauce. And that is how simple it is to make pepper sauce at home. It takes 5 minutes and the results, peppery, creamy, absolutely delicious.